Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to replace an old broken toilet seat with a new soft close toilet seat. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Alright, so there's the old toilet seat. It's discolored, it's gross. Yes, I have gloves on, not for drama, just because I know where this toilet seat has been. This thing is nasty, it's loose. I've tried to tighten it up several times, and they're all plastic bolts, and they break off. So, to replace this, we're going to first get rid of it, and there's two caps here. You're going to slide a standard screwdriver under each of those, pry it up, and these are plastic screws. Underneath is usually a plastic screw, but sometimes they are metal. This one feels like plastic, and you're just going to unscrew this and do the same to the other one, and it'll lift right off. Alright, and that's what the plastic nut looks like underneath. Now it should lift off. And those are just the plastic bolts. So here's the new toilet seat. The soft close mechanism is right in here. There's absolutely nothing you have to do to activate it. It just comes set like that. It installs exactly like any normal toilet would, except that it's soft close. This one has these two little washer gasket like things. They get stuck in first. Whoops. Sometimes you'll see toilets that have these little sticky things that you stick on the porcelain first before you put it in. The whole idea is to get it so that there's a little bit of cushion there and it won't move around. So I'm going to put those on, and then that is the washer that goes underneath, or the nut that goes underneath. It's got this little tab on it so that when you turn it, it locks in against the porcelain, and you shouldn't really have to reach underneath to hold it still while you put the bolt in. So all it is left to do is to stick that in and tighten it up. Before I get that one too tight, I'm going to put the other one in and tighten it most of the way. You don't want to over tighten these because they're plastic and they'll end up like the other toilet. So I snug it up. There's a soft close. It's on there pretty good. So I'm going to call that good enough. Close these lids. And here's the final product. Well, home repair doesn't get much easier than that. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.